Welcome to VINDAL'S concept. Today we're going to look at additions and subtractions in fraction. So if we have one whole number 2 over 3 plus 1 over 2, what will this lead you to? I want you to leave this one. Don't allow it to bring a problem to your solution. Just write it separately. Keep it 1. Then deal with 2 and 3. And then this. If you ask yourself, what will you multiply? What will be common between 3 and 2? What denominator will you do? The lowest of them. If I say 6 is fine, then I'll have 3 times 2 will give me 6. I also multiply this one by 2. I didn't change anything. I just multiply this numerator by 2, multiply this one by 2, just to make this them plus 1 over 2. What will I multiply by 2 to get the same thing as this? I'll multiply it by 3. I'll also multiply numerator by 3. I'll have one whole number 4 over 6 plus 3 over 6. This is one whole number 4 plus 3 is 7 over 6. This denominator you don't. You only add the numerator because they are just the same. You write 1 over 7. That is how to deal with things like this. Then, in the other one, if I go to number 2, if I have 3 whole number 1 over 4 minus 1 whole number 5 over 6. The same thing applies. 3 is there. We just say 3 minus 1, which is 2. Then you know that your problem is going to have a whole number of 2. A whole number of 2. So I will write 2. Then I will deal with 1 over 4 and 5 over 6. If you do that very well, you realize that this is going to be 12 will be the 1 over 4 times this times 3 will give you 12. This times 3 also. Then minus 5 over 6 times 2 will give me 12. Then 5 times 2. The denominator is my major concern. I have to make this will give me 12. This will give me 12. That's my concern. But whatever I multiply this side with, I will also multiply numerator so that I will not alter the fraction. So this is going to be 3 over 12, and this is going to be 10 over 12. The answer is going to be 3 minus 10 over 12. So I'll go here and say 3 minus 10 all over 12. There is a problem here. Some people will say 3 minus 7. Some people will say it's minus 7. 3 minus 10. Some people will say it's minus 7. So are you trying to let me know you are going to write something like 2 whole number minus 7 over 12? This does not make sense. Don't go there. See what I would like you to do. In fact, because of this reason, I'm going to do another video which explains the meaning of whole number. This 2 means that this 12 is 2 times in this place. So what am I going to do? 3 minus 7, I will not want to have this kind of minus 7. 3 minus 10, I will not want to have minus 7. So what will I do? I will say, I will carry 1, borrow 1 from this 2. This 2 means 24. Because, 12 is 1 here. But they said that this 12 is 2 times. That means 24. Now I'm going to borrow 1. If I borrow 1 here, I will have 12. Because there are 2 12. This 12, there are 2 here. So if I borrow 1, I have borrowed 1 12. So I'm going to, if I borrow 1 here, I will have 1 left. That 1 I borrowed is 12. I will add it here, it becomes 15. Because 12 plus 3 is 15. Then minus 10. I will still maintain my denominator, which is 12. So, which is going to be 1 whole number 5 over 12. That is how to deal with such problem. Okay. Can we try any other kind of question? Okay, let me give you this one. Number 3, you'll be asked to simplify two whole number 5/3 minus 1/3 plus 2/5. Can you try to solve this? You can pause the video and solve this. Okay, I am sure you got your answer, but then let's find out what the answer over 3 minus 1/3 plus 2/5. In this case, I have only one whole number here. I don't have here, I don't have here. It doesn't make. Let my whole number be 2. Then I will have 3, 3, and 5. If I multiply this one by 3, I'll have 15. If I multiply this one by 5, I'll have 15. But if I multiply this one by 5, I'll have, if I multiply this one by 3, I'll have 15. So 15 will be my least common. So 5 times 5 is 25. Minus. That 5 times 5 is 5 here. Plus. Here is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. So at this point, I will have, okay, I will just go straight. 25 minus 5 is 20 plus 6/15, which gives me two whole number. 15 must always be there, which is 26. Can we reduce 26 over and 15? Can 3 divide 26? No, 3 cannot divide 26. So that is the answer.